Okay guys, it's the final part, part 4 of our VT Berlina series. Now we're going to hit the rollers again. 323 was our target. We'll see if we can better that, and then we'll take it outside, put the bonnet on, show you some idle stuff. So we'll give it a run and then we'll see what we can do, and hopefully we might be able to get to maybe 325. Let's give it a whirl. Okay guys, that's it, 324.1. It's a good result at 6.7. So yeah, we'll take it outside now, put the bonnet on and we'll give it a whirl. Okay guys, here we are with the VT Berlina. I think it's number 4, and haven't even test driven it, so this is our first one, so hopefully it's all good. We'll show you what goes on. So this is a real behind the scene, it's not a stage setup. Started, so that's always a good one. It's definitely got a nice chop. You can probably see the cameraman's hand shaking there, and his leg and knee. So beautiful, returns back to on 1,000 at idling. It's nice and easy, so good manners. Stally, returns back, so looks like the tuner's done a good job so far. We'll give him some points. That I'm doing the right thing, not speeding, and yeah, noise, vibrations, gear changes, throttle return, all them things. Obviously can't go too fast on some of that, but yeah, the basics, 1-2 gear change. The other gear changes will have to be on the dyno or on a highway or a racetrack. But yeah, basically the ins and outs and how everything's going. So yeah, you can see it's plenty throttle responsive. That's a combination of everything working correctly. But well, just easy enough there. It'll turn the tyres if we want to. I think it's going to be pretty potent. It'll be a sleeper for sure. I know we had some comments, people go, why, waste of time. You know what, I think it's a pretty cool car to have the very base model car and have a lot of power, drivability, and as I said, all the qualities of idle, everything else. It works well. The tuner can only do what the tuner can do. If you mechanically bring me a car like some Henwoods do that are not right, loose parts, air leaks, I'm not going to get into it, cracks or whatever, we can only do so much, but our guys have done a good job. They've presented this car for me to tune, and it's an awesome effort. So yeah, I do like it. It doesn't pull on the brakes, the converter's working well, everything's working. It can go from to drive to neutral, barely a change, go to park, we can go to reverse, we can reverse, we can click it straight in the gear and go. So yeah, no, it's a good result, good all-round package that we've done and developed. The right combination of parts. This one got the triple stepped on it. There is a little bit of toing froing. It has, I can hear it just slightly hitting under acceleration now and then, you're going to get that. Also depends on the engine mount as well. Some of these big builds, the engine mounts tear up, so it's probably good to use a hard engine mount one side and a soft for noise vibration as well. So overall, it's a big tick for the Chopper Reid. Love it. Pretty cool. I've got some of these old cars myself, and you can even see it as well. It's just but it's quite cool in how it does it all. So yeah, overall a pass for our staff here. Everyone from the media guys that do the engine builds, and we do it here all in house, to all our parts that we can supply to all our customers, all our trade guys, which you do have a lot of trade guys now. You can see the quality of parts that they work, and the combination works right together. So anyone can actually basically get that and mirror image what we've done. So guys, I hope you like the series we've done. It's pretty much a bit of a wrap on it. We'll try and do some more, but it does take a bit of time. Hope you like it. If you like it, great, give us a big thumbs up. If you don't like it, too bad. Thanks guys, Phonsy G Motorsport.